What's going on, guys? Today I got another video for you guys. Today we're going to be working on this 2013 Kia Optima SXL, the turbo, the 2.0 turbo. What the car's been doing for some, I'll probably say for years. This car has been leaking some oil massively, like leaking oil massively. You can see all over the place. At first I was thinking it was the valve cover that was leaking, so we fixed that, but that didn't resolve the problem. So we kept on, looking around. So what, if you can see, let me show you what the car is doing. You can see the ground. I normally park the car right here. You can see there's a bunch of holes everywhere. So what I now discovered, you can see, let me see, when I moved the car just yesterday. See, when I moved the car, I can see oil over there. So what I now discovered I was leaking, it was the turbo oil feed line that is leaking. So we're going to be changing that. So the turbo oil feed line is what is leaking. There's one bolt, 17mm bolt on the turbo right here, and there's two nuts. If you follow the line, there are two nuts down there. They are 10mm. So what we're going to be doing, I mean, you can do both ways. You can try. You can see how the oil has been leaking so bad for some months, for some probably a year now. I just been driving like that, like, you know what, I'm going to drive you until you break down. So what we're going to be doing, you can decide to take the line, the bolt of the line from the bottom, or you can take it from the top. All you have to do to fill it. So what I'll be doing, I'm going to use this to see if I can get it, so I can bring the two nuts out, guys. Follow me, guys. So guys, we are back again on this Kia Optima that we're going to be changing the turbo oil feed line. This is it. I just got it. They just mailed it to me today. So actually this one came with the oil field line, and it came with the nuts, and also there's a gasket that it actually came with. So that one has been leaking oil in this Kia Optima for over a year. I mean, that's making mess everywhere in my driveway. So we're gonna be replacing that. So you can see that's the turbo head, and the oil field line, it goes all the way below the block. It goes, there's a 17mm over here that you need to take out, and at the bottom there are 10mm nuts. They're gonna take out two of them. So I've already loose the oil field line, so I'm just gonna try to bring it out, and we go from there. So this is the original one that actually came with the car. This one that came with the car. So this one I just bought. So probably it has been updated or something, you know. So yeah, this one has been updated. Actually, the oil is actually leaking from here. From here, that's where the oil is pumping out from. Where the I don't know. That's where it's coming out from. But this has been updated. So hopefully this one works and the oil stops leaking. I'm not gonna say it's easy, or I'll tell you, man. So guys, I'm gonna try to put this on. Oof. Okay. It could be moved around. So if actually, let me see, the old one, the old one couldn't move around. Yeah. If it comes and it's not lined up the way it is, so I can see it can move it. Hopefully I'm not trying to damage this anymore. But it's moving around, I see. So I'm gonna try and put the new one. Hopefully that solved my problem. So guys, the top bolt, the 17mm, if it looks straight to it right there, I put it back. So now the two nuts go to the bottom. So, and we should be good. But remember to put your gasket. Remember, so they put the gasket back. So I'm gonna put the gasket back on the nut, on the bolt at the bottom. Then I'll put the nut on it. It's just at the bottom. I wish I can show you guys, man, but it's just there's stuff out there. Since I can't see the two bolts, but you can feel it, so I'm just gonna put the gasket on it. Okay, I think I can see from here now. I can see from here. I can see from here. I can see from here. See if I can just hold on to this thing. Oh yeah. Oh, you gotta double your extension so you can reach it. See? Now we have it. Now, moment of truth. Everything has been connected. Now we're gonna see if the line is leaking again. Just guys, I'm gonna try and start the car and let me know if it's leaking or not. Ah, shit. Fucking shit. What did I take out from there? Oh, man. The leaks are so bad. We failed, guys. The leaks are so bad. So guys, why we leak oil was because of the gasket. I didn't put the gasket in properly. That's why we leak the oil. But I've replaced the gasket with a different one, and it was in properly. I've tested the car. Right now we're not leaking oil anymore. So I'm just gonna keep running the car for a couple of hours to make sure that we don't leak oil, guys. But guys, if you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. Please share, comment, and I would like to respond. I think this Kia Optimas, they leak oil almost every. I mean, if you go on YouTube, you see everywhere they're leaking oil. But this one was the turbo oil field that was leaking oil. But we fixed it now. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Hopefully, we fix it. Guys, please like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you. Bye.